What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm here to talk about how you can get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Now, before I get this actual video started, you guys need to know this. The YouTube Partnership Program came out with a new policy at the beginning of this year, beginning of 2018, and that is to monetize your videos, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. So until you get those two, you won't be able to monetize your videos. But if you're not doing this to make money, then why not go ahead and start your YouTube channel. Now, I did make a video about how to start your YouTube channel and how to make it grow in one of my last videos, so I'll link that in the description down below if you haven't watched that already. Essentially, it's going to be the same thing, but there are a couple differences. Now, the first thing in that video and in this video is to find your niche and to find your audience. What type of videos are you going to make? Whether it's technology, whether it's about gaming, or whether it's going to be funny videos, for example. But then, let's say you chose videos about technology. Is it going to be mobile gaming? Is it going to be news about technology? Is it going to be how-to tutorials on technology? So you gotta choose one of those when you're first starting. Now, when you first start your YouTube channel, you don't want to be all over the place. You want to be consistent, and you want to have at least one specific topic and one specific niche, so that can attract your audience. And obviously, when you build more momentum and you build more subscribers, then you can start to move on to other parts, like not just, let's say you chose technology news. Later on, when you start making more subscribers, then you can start making how-to tutorials about technology and start reviewing smartphones and tablets and things like that. And number two is actually essentially, there's not much explaining, but you're going to be posting quality content and consistently. So obviously, when people find your channel and they see that you're posting consistently, they're going to want to subscribe and continue watching your videos. But if you post, let's say, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, it's going to be harder for you to earn those subscribers and to gain more momentum. Now, when you're starting a new YouTube channel, it's tough to find an audience. It really is. I spent a long time getting to my first, I spent maybe 5 months getting to my first 100 subscribers on YouTube. It was really tough. But if you want to get there, then you first start telling your friends and your family and the people around you to, check out your channel, to subscribe, and for them to share with their friends and their family. And then it just grows bigger from there. And it really works out. I tried it myself. I gained at least maybe 100 subscribers from doing so, which was, it really is an accomplishment. So obviously, friends and family, and as that grows, people from around the world, people watching from, let's say, the other side of the US, they're going to find your video and they're going to subscribe later on. This one kind of ties in with posting quality content, and that is creating channel art. You're essentially going to want to, create something that defines you. Let's say color-wise or font-wise for your channel name. So now that you're sharing your videos with family and friends, it's time to start, leaving comments on YouTube videos and leaving comments, let's say if you have Twitter or Instagram, leaving comments on, photos and letting them know that, you're a growing YouTuber. You want to be a YouTuber and you want them to check out your content, but also engage, reply to other people's comments, like their comments and things like that, so people can, see that you exist. Essentially, when you first create your videos and you have 0 subscribers, nobody knows that you exist. So until you get there and people see, that you're engaging in comments and they see that you exist, they're not going to subscribe to you. Next up is filming something that's popular, something that's trending within your niche, obviously. And you're going to have to do some research into that. Research into your niche on YouTube, or research into your niche, on Google, and film something like that, film a video like that. Let's say a couple weeks back when YouTube Rewind came out, it was really bad. Like, it's the most disliked video on YouTube right now. And there's so many, if you made a video about YouTube Rewind, you were like 100% certain to get views no matter what, because people during that time, they're watching videos all about YouTube Rewind from any single person on YouTube. It was crazy. So if you did something like that, you were certain to get views and certain to get subscribers. And the last important thing is to never give up. Don't give up. Let's say 2 months passed and you still didn't get to 100 subscribers. Don't give up. Keep going at it. It took me 5 months to get to my first 100 subscribers, and my videos weren't even that great. I did first start off as doing how-to tutorials and technology news and things like that, and it was tough. My camera quality was terrible. I didn't understand a thing about recording videos or editing videos or anything like that. I didn't have any lighting. I didn't have any audio, but somehow people still, and the thing is, I never shared with my friends and family back then. I solely relied on YouTube, and I never shared on social media. So I solely relied on YouTube, and it took me about 5 months, but I did get there, and now I'm past 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting towards 2,000, hopefully. And the last thing, like I said, and that's basically the overall thing when you're trying to, get 1,000 subscribers, and that's to share your videos on social media. Share with everybody. People need to know you exist. If people know that, then you're going to get views, you're going to get subscribers, and in no time you will pass 100, you'll pass 1,000, and maybe one day, you'll get that silver play button at 100,000 subscribers. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Lately, I've been mostly making technology videos on my channel, but I've been lately drifting into vlogging and ranting and things like that. And now I'm thinking about doing more like entrepreneurship and cinematography and photography and things like that. But mainly my videos still consist about technology and how-to tutorials. So if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, please share this video with your friends and with your family, and follow me on social media. Links are in the description down below. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.